Clydebridge station. Today we're actually here at the Corn Exchange in Cupar for the 2022 Cupar Model Railway Club Christmas show. There's a few layouts that's on up the stair here in the Corn Exchange. Just a brief bit of history about this building, however. It was opened in 1862 by the Cupar Corn Exchange Company and served as a civic centre and an agricultural market until 1961, when in its 99th year it was acquired by Cupar Town Council. Nowadays operated by Fife Council as a civic centre, this building here has played host in the past to the summer exhibitions held by the Cupar Model Railway Club, and also in other times it has been used as a cinema as well, having shown some screenings of films. The lower deck at the moment is being used as a COVID testing and vaccination centre. But let's go up the stairs now, we'll have a look at all the exhibits and we'll maybe chat to a few people as well. And thank you for watching in advance. Well, we've got here now the Union of South Africa support crew, who in the past have looked after the locomotive you see on that book there, 60009, Union of South Africa, owned by John Cameron, former director of ScotRail. And we have here two members of the crew, and you are?
Marilyn Leaven.
And Ian Leaven. And obviously the first question that people want to know is, what is the present situation with Union of South Africa? What's caused it to be withdrawn from service?
I'll let Ian answer that.
Okay, Ian?
Well, they had a problem with the boiler. One of the small tubes has really corroded through, and there's also a problem with the firebox. So it's not in themselves not serious problems, but since it's only got a limited time, it wasn't viable economically to do the repairs.
Because it'll cost quite a lot of money to repair those sorts of things, or possibly get new parts.
Well, no, parts are not a problem. It's cost and time.
Yeah.
And the returns just don't justify the expenditure.
So as we chat right now in December, where exactly is the Union of South Africa at the moment?
It's at the East Lancashire Railway in Bury.
Yeah, the railway I know very well. I've got a couple of friends that help out on that railway with the Class 504 unit, the unique 1200 volt DC side contact unit. Obviously there's been plans in the past to have Union of South Africa and another locomotive in a museum here in Fife. What's the situation with that at the moment?
It's still pending at the moment.
Yeah.
There's not a decision being made one way or another exactly what's happening yet. It's still up in the air, as I say.
Yeah. I suppose one other pot, I know there's been talk about a site in East Neuk. There is obviously the disused Thornton Freight Yard, which has direct rail access. Would that ever be considered a plan? No.
No. The plan was Mr. Cameron wanted to have his own museum on his farm, and he's having problems with the planning department. So he hasn't given up.
No.
It's still pending.
Planning does always take time. Finally, how is John, by the way? Because
well, he's people have heard he's been in hospital for a bit, but he's home and just recovering and just being as usual, Tanker itself.
Well, let's hope that John makes a speedy recovery, and let's also hope that Union of South Africa can get a final good home back here in Fife where she belongs. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. Yeah, I think you're probably right. Bigger.
Has that been in magazines?
Yeah, yeah, it was in May 2019's VRM.
I remember. Sorry.
modified for DCC. So when it's a pimple live, they're not relying on the blades to make contact.
Right, so have you got frog
juicers. They're actually called DCC frogs. And that changes the quality of the frog.
One of the top boys got half on. I'm just trying to date up a bit and figure out how it works. But
It looks alright.
it's awkward.
Aye.
It's awkward to work.
Just need refined.
I'm trying to train it. I've got to figure it out. That's it there.
I'll see you later.
See you later on. Still trying to figure this out, sorry. Still trying to figure out how this thing works. Or doesn't work.
No, you've just rung. No, you're too busy getting up behind the house. Just walking aside.
Rồi cứ chán. Đi về đây, về đây, về đây. Về đây, về đây.
Did you bring him over? He's got enough dislike your video.
Có mất thì nó bốn.
Oh, that's good.
Nó ăn bánh ghét. Bánh xào. Đây là. Going to be Christmas night. I'm working all through Christmas.
Say you don't need a massive big room to have something to have fun with. And the joy with this is have fun with it.